Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be putting the mower deck on the John Deere L110 automatic. Under in this direction, the wheels go full facing forward. Also, you might have a little dingle bob thing right here. You can just flip that up and make sure you have these big things flipped up, or it'll get caught on the wheel and stuff under there. You can have those flipped down all the way. Those right there, you can have it goes down. You can just push this under. About right there. Just push it under. If you still have this thing attached, you still have the little thing attached right here. Just push it like that. Push it under into this hole so it lines up with that. Push it up to it. Just kind of feed it through the hole. Just like that. Now what you want to do, hit the pin that was on it. Pin that on it. And that's your front done. Now you want to go to the back. You will see that little thing right there. You want to take the front, the long front one right here. This is why I said flip it forward, because you want to put that right on there. That one there. Okay, now that's down there. You want to get the little pin or whatever you had on it. Where is... Here it is. I just had this little wire on it because I lost the pin for this. Just dropped it. Okay. Now there should be a little hole. Just feed your pin or your wire through. Right there. See your little thing right here? If you have it all the way up before, you want to pull it up, push it. Push it all the way. Really hard. Push it all the way down. Just like that. Little thing right there. That little thing right there. You want to take the little tiny thing, put it up on that. Just like that. It should be very easy because it has that stuff right there. About strong enough. Tie it. This is just to keep the thing on, so I'm not worried about it. It's just to keep this thing from coming off, so I'm not too worried about it. It's just to keep it from coming off. Now I should be able to rip the jack. I'm gonna do it. First side's done. You got your thing up. Now time to go over to this other side. Okay, so I just got done that other side. Now you want to get the belt on. Pretty tricky part. Not too tricky, but belts do like not run. Okay, there it goes. The first thing's right here. So this little thing right here just gets hooked right into there. Oh yeah, I forgot that was broken off. Ow. Let me pull the line it. Get nice and tightened up. There we go. So, into the engine right here. You won't have all this stuff right here. You don't have to worry about that. Goes up into the engine right here. You see this little thing? You want to just stick that in there. Kind of hard. You want to hold that down, that bar. You want to hold this down and take off that spring, just like that. Take off the spring, just like that. Now you want to take this. Now you want to push this all the way down as much as possible. And then you want to, you see how this has a little like hole thing in it? You just want to put it right on that little rod. Hook it onto this little bracket right here. And just fully extend it. Oh, dang, where'd that go?